but it's annoying. Okay.
I'm trying to make it inside.
Stop. Hi, hey, so I set up a channel for my brother Elisha. Sit down. Okay, so Elisha has his own YouTube channel. This is my brother Elisha. He's popped up a few times in the videos in the past before on this channel. You may be asking, what kind of content does he do? What kind of videos? Elisha loved going on the, the photo booth app on my laptop all the time and making these funny videos with the pinched face effect.
The alien species are so close!
My dad took me in the room and he's like, go put those on YouTube, set up a channel, but don't tell Elisha, let's see what happens. The first video I put on was a short and my dad he just had to go tell Elisha. He showed Elisha. Elisha wasn't too excited about it at first, and then it developed into, okay, I will have my own YouTube channel and do these videos. So here we are today. We're actually about to start filming, what is this, part 4? Part 4?
Part 3.
Part 3? It is.
Why not 4?
Yeah, it's 4. Go to his channel, Comical Buddy. I've been helping him out with the editing. There he is. Okay, so I am going to help him set up some green screen. In the newer ones, we've been doing green screen. Actually, we have older ones. So some of the videos we've been doing while using green screen are actually redos of original videos. The reason why is because in the original video, I was getting a little annoyed that he was using my laptop to film this stuff. This is before we even set up his channel, and he was just messing around. I was getting a little annoyed, and so I'm being goofy and sticking a phone in front of the camera and I'm distracting him. So we decided to make it a little more concise, and hopefully that would be more entertaining.
I can't perform.
Hey everyone, it's me! Elisha, you want to tell everybody about your channel? They're your chance for your shout out.
I film myself on the photo booth app, which is on this laptop, and I put a filter on my face and I film funny videos and post them on here, hoping to get a good laugh from everyone.
That's right. Anyway, I'm sure you guys are wondering about my annoying injury. Playing a Nerf battle around the property. It's a very industrial area and they have like a lot of metal, and I was taking a corner, my right foot slipped, my right arm went to catch my body, slammed it into this big hunk of metal. It was sharp and just sliced my arm. Here is a picture of what I slammed into, and I don't know if I want to show you guys the picture of what it looked like after, but it was pretty nasty.
I can't perform. Not now. You have to. I can't perform.
All right, and while he's doing that, I will take you guys outside. Okay, so we are at a business actually that sells bits used on those big oil machines that you would see out in like the fields and whatnot. So this is what their company is. I'm not even too sure how oil machines work, but supposedly they make bits for the machines. And it's really crazy to see like how big these things are and actually how heavy they are. Like they've got them ranging from all kinds of different sizes. You got really small ones and they get actually really big, and they are so heavy. I mean, you would not believe how heavy these things are. See this? Ranging from all different shapes and sizes. Look at these massive things. They're big and super heavy. So this place is only temporary. We're gonna be leaving in a few days, but our rigs are back over there. Yeah, so we've been here for a few weeks now. We're always traveling. Okay, so one thing that I've been noticing and realizing is that perhaps I'm gonna share with you guys some of my channel analytics, and you're going to be probably surprised, maybe surprised. First of all, I've been terminated before, which was very discouraging for like absolute no reason. They gave me no notice, nothing, literally nothing. But the only reason why TrashCanFilms is back is because we actually knew connections there at YouTube. They turned it on for us. But let me share with you my channel on analytics. Let me take you. Okay, welcome back. Prepare yourselves, my channel analytics. Wait, oops, that's my brother's, sorry. Go subscribe. Okay, so TrashCanFilms channel analytics for the last 28 days. 12.8 thousand views, 28 subscribers earned, 305 watch hours, estimated revenue for the last 28 days, $13.68. And it's just so frustrating because like I love doing this stuff, and like you guys compliment me all the time on how like you're really impressed with my work. I've had professionals tell me they're really impressed with my work. Brotherhood Workshop, he's reached out and like complimented me on my work. He's a stop motion animator, a very good one, by the way. But do you want to know what I think part of the problem is? Do you remember when that COPPA, C-O-P-P-A rule came out, or law came out, that YouTube came out? It was like in 2020. It was early 2020. Or was it early 2019? Or late 2019? I don't know. It came out around that time. I think I made the mistake by setting my channel as made for kids, because I noticed my earnings drop substantially. So I've been doing some research. They've actually come out with this, I think it's recently new, Your Weekly Recap is here. So they kind of give an update on how your channel did that week. These searches led people to you. Number 1, Lego stop motion. And that's what really got me. Lego stop motion was the #1 search that led people to my channel. My channel kind of started out as a Lego stop motion channel, and maybe YouTube's algorithm put me into that category. So any other content that I made that wasn't related to Lego stop motion stuff, the content just didn't do as well. So this is stuff I've been looking into, and I'm coming to a decision here. I have the Isaiah Good channel I created back in mid or late 2019, because when my TrashCanFilms channel was terminated, this channel, all my content was gone. There was no existence to TrashCanFilms. I still get irritated about that. And here's one of the reasons why I really get irritated about it. This was my channel analytics, July 28th, 2019. Look at that, that was in the last 48 hours. 35,000 views. I'm thinking about taking all my non-Lego related content and putting it on the Isaiah Good channel. This would mean things like vlogs and live action films and just cinematic tutorials in general. Everything about Lego, which is what TrashCanFilms was originally known for, will remain on TrashCanFilms, so I'm going to have basically 2 channels, so you need to make sure you, first of all, subscribe to this channel and go subscribe to Isaiah Good. I was just thinking, it's going to feel really weird starting out, because I'm basically going to feel like it's restarting YouTube again, because I won't be monetized. So I'm going to need your guys' help to get Isaiah Good monetized. So I need 4,000 watch hours, I need at least 1,000 subscribers, and let's get this thing going. I'm really excited to try this, see if anything works, see what it's like. It's gonna be really interesting trying YouTube all over again. So you guys have 3 channels to go subscribe to. You've got my brother Elisha's channel, Comical Buddy. You got Isaiah Good channel. All links in the video description. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. It helps get my content out there to more people. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't. And I will see you guys next time, either on this channel or Isaiah Good. Goodbye.